Hello children, today we are going to see Unit 3 Transport. The learning objectives. Identify the kinds of transport developed over the years. Know about road safety. This is what the topic we are going to discuss today. See here in this picture, what are the vehicles can you see? See, here is a bus, car, auto, a scooter, a bike. See a cycle also here. See a cycle. You can see this in your roads also. Som papdi. Okay. Boat, ship. Also here is a aeroplane. There are so many vehicles near us. How do you come to school? By walking, or you are coming by any vehicle. Okay, these are the things used for a transport. What is a transport? It means movement of people and goods from one place to another. See here, transport means movement of people and goods from one place to another. It is called transport. See here, today we travel by road using scooters, auto rickshaws, cars, buses, vans and trains. A train can carry many more things, people, than a bus or a van. We travel in the air using aeroplanes and helicopters, and on water using ships and boats. What are all the vehicles you can see in your daily life? See, scooter, auto rickshaw, cars, buses, vans, aeroplanes, trains, ship or boat. Okay. See, scooter holds only 2 people or maximum 4 with kids. Auto, more than this. Car, more than auto. A bus can hold many people than these vehicles. What about a train? It carries many more people than a bus or a van or a car or auto. Helicopters and aeroplanes are used to fly in the air. They are used to travel to other countries. Ships and boats also used to travel in the sea. Boats are used to travel in the rivers, any water areas. See, we can travel long distance in a short time using these modes of transport. They need fuel, petrol or diesel to move. Petrol or diesel is used for a vehicle to move. The fire engine and ambulance are special vehicles. A fire engine helps us to put out fires. An ambulance helps us to take sick people to hospital. Ambulance is very necessary nowadays. It helps sick people to take to hospital. And fire engines. You also know, wherever fire accident happens, fire engine helps there. You should always give way to these vehicles because they are working for the emergency needs. See, what is the story of a transport? In early times, man walked, used palanquins or animals like elephants and horses to travel from one place to another. See, rich people always use pallakus like this. 4 people or 3 people can hold and walk. In early times, there is no vehicle or any means of transport, so they walk through places. Afterwards, they use horses and elephants to travel. See how elephants are used in traveling. Elephants were used to travel across thick forest and were trained to carry loads and people. See, they are trained to carry loads and people. It is used in the travel across thick forest. Later what happened? Man invented a wheel. Wheel is a very important invention in a man's life. No vehicles cannot move without a wheel. Man used the wheel to make carts. See, They use the wheels to make carts, horse cart, bullock cart, donkey cart. They are used wheels. He used animals like horses, bullocks, donkeys to pull carts with loads and to travel. And then he made chariots like this, like there. Okay, you see there, no, like the chariots they make, and bicycles using the wheels. Then came all the vehicles that we see today: cars, buses, trains, and auto rickshaws. What is the first vehicle used by the man? It's pallakus, that too carry by the humans. Afterwards, they invented wheels. Before that, horses and elephants, any animals, are used to travel. Then he invented wheels. Wheels are very much useful in our daily life. They are used in almost every vehicles. See, it is a bicycle. Parts of a bicycle. It is a handlebar, a wheel, it is a pedal, chain in the cycle seat. Okay, these are the old type of cycles. Okay, see, bicycles has changed from olden times to the present day like this. Road safety. To be safe on the road, we must follow some rules. See, this is a zebra crossing, signal lights. What are the rules? Let us see. Follow the signal. First, we have to follow the signal. Red light for stop, yellow for get ready, green for go. Red for stop, yellow for get ready, green for go. Always walk on the footpath. Always walk on the footpath. This is the footpath. You have to walk in the footpath. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Cross when the symbol of a person walking towards turns green. You should cross the road in the zebra crossing. This is a zebra crossing and you should cross the road using this, through this zebra crossing. When you should cross the road? When the green shows a walking man. When green light is on, you can cross the road like this. See, never hide behind vehicles. You should not hide behind vehicles. If the vehicle starts, it may cause you in danger. Never run or play on the road. You should not play on the road as vehicles are coming. It may cause an accident. So you should not run or play on the road. See, what is the self-evaluation of yourself in this lesson? You can identify the different kinds of transport, old and new. I can follow road safety rules. These are the things you learn from this lesson. Thank you, children.